Hey there guys, this is Eric with JC Sweet & Co.
In our last video, I showed you how to create a simple blog post. Now, with doing that, we didn't add any photos to it, so if you were looking on your website, it may have looked a little bland, and really it wasn't that attractive to any of your customers or people who may be viewing your blog. So this video is going to show you how to add a featured image using your WordPress website's editor. So we're already in the post from last, and if you haven't seen the other video, be sure to just check in the info section. We'll be able to watch that too, so you're all caught up. So we already have our title, we have our content. Now we're going to add that featured image. So what you're going to do is scroll down a little bit, and right over here to the right, the last one of these tabs is going to say Set Featured Image. Click that button. And this is going to bring you to your media library. Now, none of these pictures have to do with jelly beans, so we're going to upload a new one. So go to Upload Files, select Files. This is going to bring up your computer's browser or Finder if you're on a Mac. So now I'm going to select the picture, because my folder is already picked, for my jelly beans. Wait for the photo to upload. So typically, if you're using iStock or any photo source, it may come with a title and a caption. I'm going to recommend getting rid of those and adding a title that makes sense for your blog post. Click Set Featured Image, and you'll be able to see a preview of it right there. That means you do have an image on the post now, which is going to show up when people look at your blog. Now when you click Preview, look at that! Now we've got a nice, beautiful picture that's showing up for all of our viewers, and then our word content under it just below. And that is how you add a featured image to a blog post. If you guys have any questions or are looking to further improve your blog posting, social media needs, or use your website, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on the rest of our social media and our website. Thanks so much.